Page. Select dash to has a build objective, fulfill the user story. Let's complete Sally wants to an image some. So replace the HTTP with correct attributes for this image search. So ito yung mga na pala. Image element should have a source attribute. So dito h1 have got C image href. Alt dapat alt. Then source attribute dapat source attribute. Ayun. Then link, so link is href. Href set the cuts page. Hanap a dog. Dog. Ito. Test. Oh, yung image na ito ba? Okay, wala palang closing tag dapat to. Run the test. Okay, next.